graduating.
Yeah.
I know, and I just claimed his diploma.
Oh.
Just today. I went and got a training for it.
Got a 4.0.
Go ahead.
We had in kindergarten. It was cute,
What
though.
was Karen doing? What was that to?
I don't know. Michael came home, so she had to make
Or
some
I
dinner.
need it home.
I buried the bear, guys.
A nerve gun. The squirter gun. Squirter gun.
Sweet.
Squirter gun.
You can't use it around the sandbox because you don't want to get
Yeah, you don't want to get no water in there.
water in there.
Oh, wow, that's sweet.
It's a nerve.
Wow.
I'm going to put it over there, away from everything.
A nerve gun.
Sweet.
Nerve gun.
Over 15 feet of soaking action. Oh, you can squirt that. Really,
Dylan,
it's a super
what do you
soak.
say?
For your mother.
Thank you. Yes, for your mother.
Yeah.
Yes, for you right here.
Yeah.
All right, out there, Dad.
You're weird. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love this.